Hey guys, Rail Fanner here, and today I'm at the Canal Center Plaza Road where we're crossing in Alexandria, Virginia. This crossing is a unused railroad crossing, and unused basically means like this relay case is on. In reality, like it's really overgrown and stuff's missing from the crossing and all that stuff. Okay, so anyway, the first thing right here is a cantilever. It's a Modern Industries cantilever. And this area reminds me of Tampa for some reason. I don't know. Then you have the emergency information. The dot number is 714-297G. The lights are Modern Industries 12 by 24-inch lights with incandescence in them. Right there. Incandescence, and they're a little bit faded. And they have the same up on the cantilever. And the bell is a W.C. Hayes mechanical bell. Yeah. Well, this is also a good place to watch planes, as you can see, like, yeah, there goes a United. Since Ronald Reagan National Airport isn't so far away, it's a nice place to be and watch planes if you like planes. Because that way is, there goes another voice crack. That way is facing south towards Montgomery Street. And that way is facing north towards George Washington Memorial Parkway, and Lieutenant Green's Drive. So yeah, here's the other signal. As you can see, the lights are a bit damaged in there. Yeah, it looks like they're having business too. So yeah. Oh my god. So, this cantilever is an upside down Modern Industries cantilever. Yeah, it's an upside down edition. Like, oh wow. It's upside. Why? Who was stupid enough to do that? I don't know. I have no idea. Someone who went to the bar too often. Anyways, there's the emergency information. The lights are Modern Industries, more Modern Industries 12 by 24-inch lights with incandescence in them. And yeah, here's the back. They're a bit damaged. As you can see there. They're also pretty faded. And the lights on the top on the cantilever are more Modern Industries 12 by 24-inch incandescent lights. So, yeah. And right there's the relay case right there. So yeah, that was the Canal Center Plaza Road railroad crossing, which is an unused crossing in Alexandria, Virginia. I hope you enjoyed this tour, and I will see you down the line.